once the text is written, I'm not finished yet. I email the book, we call it the manuscript, to my publisher in Arlington, Virginia. Then they send it to reviewers who are experts that check the facts. About 6 weeks later, the reviews are sent to me and I have to address each of the reviewers' comments. They might tell me about a fact that I got wrong or something that wasn't clear and needs to be reworded. They might suggest changing the order of the information. It's important to me and my publisher to get all of the facts right, so this part of the process is very important. After I make those revisions, I'm still not done. The revised manuscript is sent to my editor. My editor's not a science expert, she's a writing expert. So she helps me choose better wording, use correct spellings, make sure my sentences don't run on too long, make sure I don't use the same words over and over again. She will send me her comments and I'll make those changes. It's interesting to see how much things change from my very first draft to the final book. I appreciate the reviewers and editors because I know they're making the book a lot better than it was at first. After you write your first draft of your Next Time You See book, you could have 1 or 2 of your classmates serve as reviewers. They can read through and make comments and suggestions on how to improve the book. They can let you know if something's not clear or needs to be explained more. One thing about reviewers is that even though they're telling me about things I need to fix, they always do it in a kind way. They usually tell me about the parts they like as well as the parts that need to be changed. So be sure to be nice and helpful when you are reviewing someone else's work. Your teacher would be an excellent editor of your book. Your teacher is a writing expert, so he or she can help you revise your writing to make sure you're following all the rules of writing. You know, like correct spelling and punctuation, but also helping you choose the best words to get your ideas across to the reader. And here's something important to know as a writer. No one ever gets everything perfect the first time. And even though it might feel bad to have someone point out that you got something wrong, everyone, you, the reviewers, and the editor, are working together to make sure the book is the best it can be.